The topic you have to study is the molecular orbital theory of hydrogen molecule ion. The hydrogen molecule ion, that is H2 plus, is composed of two protons and an electron. This is the only one molecular system for which the Schrödinger equation can be solved. The following figure shows the schematic representation of hydrogen molecule, and these two hydrogen molecules are separated by a distance r, and the electron is at a distance Ra from the hydrogen atom Ha, and the electron is at a distance Rb from the hydrogen atom Hb. The wave function for hydrogen atom are called atomic orbitals, and those for H2 plus are called molecular orbitals. The nature of chemical bonding in H2 plus can be explained by finding its solution using Born-Oppenheimer and LCAO approximations. This treatment involves two steps, that is, the calculation of energy of the H2 plus using the trial LCAO-MO function and the determination of the electron density in the different regions of the molecule. Let us discuss one by one. First one is the calculation of energy. The lowest energy atomic orbital of hydrogen atom is 1s orbital. Therefore, the lowest energy molecular orbital of H2 plus according to LCAO approximation, that is equal to psi, that is equal to C1 1s A plus C2 1s B, where 1s A and 1s B are the atomic orbitals of the hydrogen nuclei, which are labeled as A and B. The energy is given by its expectation value E is equal to integral of psi star h cap psi dt divided by integral of psi star psi dt, where h cap is the electron Hamiltonian. The electron density psi square can be determined by knowing the expression for psi, that is, by determining the unknown coefficients C1 and C2. The complete Hamiltonian for the H2 plus is given by h cap, that is equal to minus h cross square divided by 8 pi square into 1 by ma del a square plus 1 by mb into del b square plus 1 by me into del square into minus e square by ra minus e square by rb plus e square by r, where a and b refers to two hydrogen nuclei here, and m is the mass of the nucleus and small m is the mass of electron. E is the charge of the electron, and Ra and Rb are the distance of the electron from the nucleus A and B respectively, where capital R is distance between the nuclei. The Hamiltonian in the equation 3 can be expressed in atomic units, that is, in atomic unit the mass of electron is equal to 1, the square of the charge of the electron, that is equal to 1, and h by 2 pi, that is equal to 1. By applying the Born-Oppenheimer approximation, the Hamiltonian can be written as Hamiltonian operator h cap, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 del square minus 1 by Ra minus 1 by Rb plus 1 by R. According to the basic postulates of quantum mechanics, the expectation value of energy, that is equal to integral of psi star h cap psi dt divided by psi star dt. By employing this formula, we can calculate the molecular orbital energy, that is E is equal to molecular orbital energy by substituting the value of h cap and psi in this equation. Therefore, E is equal to integral of C1 1s A plus C2 1s B star h cap C1 1s A plus C2 1s B dt divided by integral of C1 1s A plus C2 1s B star C1 1s A plus C2 1s B dt. Since the atomic orbital wave functions are real, psi star, that is equal to psi. Therefore, E is equal to, substitute the values of E, we can find out the value of E is equal to C1 square H11 plus 2C1 C2 H12 plus C2 square H22 divided by C1 square S11 plus 2C1 C2 S12 plus C2 square S22, where integral of 1s A h cap 1s A dt, that is equal to H11, integral of 1s A h cap 1s B dt, that is equal to H12, integral of 1s A h cap 1s A dt that is equal to H21 and the integral of 1s b 1 h cap 1s b dt that is equal to H22 and S11 is equal to integral of 1s a dt and S12 that is equal to integral of 1s a 1s b dt and S21 that is equal to integral of 1s b 1s a dt and S22 that is equal to integral of 1s b dt and also H12 is equal to H21 and S12 that is equal to S21. Therefore, the secular equation is dE by dC1 that is equal to dE by dC2 that is equal to 0. First, we have to find out the value of dE by dC1. That is the dE by dC1 that is equal to C1 into H11 minus ES11 plus C2 into H12 minus ES12 that is equal to 0. Similarly, dE by dC2 that is equal to C1 into H12 minus E into S12 plus C2 into H22 minus ES22 that is equal to 0. Therefore, the corresponding secular determinant that is equal to determinant of H11 minus ES11, H12 minus ES12, H21 minus ES21, H22 minus ES22. Since the two hydrogen atoms in H2 plus are alike, H11 is equal to H22. The operator Hamiltonian being Hermitian, H12 that is equal to H21. The 1s orbitals are already normalized. Therefore, S12 that is equal to S21 that is equal to S and the S11 that is equal to S22 that is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write H11 minus E square minus H12 minus E square that is equal to 0. From this, the H11 minus E that is equal to plus or minus H12 minus ES. The positive value at the right hand side gives the energy value corresponding to maximum and the negative value that gives the energy value corresponding to minimum, that is E minimum and E maximum. Take the positive value. From that positive value we can calculate E maximum that is equal to H11 minus E H12 divided by 1 minus S. Similarly, the E minimum that is equal to H11 plus H12 divided by 1 plus S. Therefore, in order to find out the values of E max and E minimum, we should know the values of H11 and H12. The H11 is equal to integral of 1s a h cap 1s a dt. Substitute the value of h cap here. H11 that is equal to integral of 1s a into minus 1 by 2 del square minus 1 by r a minus 1 by r b plus 1 by r into 1s a dt. On expanding and solving, we can get the value of H11 that is equal to EH minus P plus 1 by R. Here P that is equal to integral of 1s a into 1 by RB into 1s a dt is the energy of attraction between the electron and the nucleus B. EH that is equal to integral of 1s a minus 1 by 2 del square minus 1 by Ra into 1s a dt is the energy of a single hydrogen atom and integral of 1s a dt that is equal to 1. Therefore, H11 that is equal to EH minus P plus 1 by R represent the energy of hydrogen atom A perturbed by a proton B and is quite close to the energy of unperturbed hydrogen atom except for small values of R. The H12 can be similarly written as H12 that is equal to integral of 1s a h cap 1s b dt, and on solving this we can find out the value of H12 that is equal to EH S minus Q plus S by R, where Q is equal to integral of 1s a into 1 by RB 1s b dt is due to the exchange of electron between the two nuclei and hence it is called exchange energy, and integral of 1s a 1s b dt that is equal to S. The integral H12 is generally called resonance integral and represent the energy of overlap density under the influence of the attractive field of both nuclei. Therefore, E max that is equal to, substitute in these values, we get the value of E max that is equal to EH minus P minus Q divided by 1 minus S plus 1 by R. Similarly, E minimum that is equal to EH minus P plus Q divided by 1 plus 1 by R. From the equation 1, that is psi is equal to C1 1s a plus C2 1s b, we can find out the values of C1 and C2 by using the secular equation 9. That is C1 into H11 minus E plus C2 into H12 minus E S12 that is equal to 0. Since S11 is equal to 0, take the positive value, that is H11 minus E that is equal to plus H12 minus ES. Therefore, the equation 9 becomes C1 is equal to minus C2. That is, from the positive value we get the maximum value. In that case C1 is equal to C2. If we take the negative value, we can find out the value of C1, that is equal to 0 for minimum. Therefore, the wave function corresponding to E minimum and E maximum are respectively psi1, that is equal to C1 into 1sa plus 1sb, and psi2 is equal to C1 into 1sa minus 1sb. On normalizing the wave function psi1, we get the value of C1, that is integral of psi1 square dt is equal to 1. Substitute the value of psi1 square, and expanding this we can find out the values of C1 as 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s. Therefore, the wave function psi1, that is equal to 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s into 1sa plus 1sb. Similarly, on normalizing the wave function psi2, we can find out the values of C1. Therefore, integral of psi2 square dt, that is equal to 1. On substituting the value of psi2 square, we can find out the values of C1 as 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s. Therefore, psi2 is equal to 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s into 1 sa minus 1sb. Thus, in the ground state of H2 plus, the electron occupies at the molecular orbital psi1, and in the excited state it occupies at the psi2 molecular orbital. Next, we have to find out the electron distribution or electron density. The electron distribution in the two states psi1 and psi2 are obtained by taking the square of the respective wave functions. That is, in order to find out the electron density rho, we have to take the square of the wave function, that is this square of the wave function psi1 square, that is equal to rho1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus s into 1s square plus 2 1sa 1sb plus 1sb square. Similarly, psi2 square, that is equal to rho2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus s into 1s square minus 2 1sa 1sb plus 1sb square. At the midpoint between the two protons, at that point Ra is equal to Rb, where we have 1sa, that is equal to 1sb. Therefore, psi1, that is equal to 2 into 1sa divided by root of 2 into 1 plus s. In that case, psi2 is equal to 0. For the electron density rho1, that is equal to 4 into 1sa square divided by 2 into 1 plus s, and rho2, the electron density corresponding to psi2 square, that is equal to 0. Thus, in the state psi1, the more electron density is found between the nuclei. This means that the molecular orbital psi1 has the effect of concentrating the electron density between the two nuclei. The increased electron density is responsible for the stability of H2+. Therefore, psi1 is called the bonding molecular orbital. In this state psi2, the electron density at the center of the bond is 0 and is therefore less than the sum of the electron densities of the separate atoms. The molecular orbital psi2 is called antibonding orbital. The densities along the internuclear axis is shown in the following figure. And this figure shows the schematic representation of the wave function and electron density for the state psi1 and psi2. For the psi1 state, the electron density is rho1. For the psi2 state, the electron density is rho2. References: Quantum Chemistry R.K. Prasad, New Age International Private Limited, and Introductory Quantum Chemistry A.K. Chandra, McGrew-Hill Education India Private Limited.